Yeah. So you first want to look and see if there's any obvious nails or giant holes in it. I'm not seeing that. Before you take this to your shop, or before you think, oh, I need a new tube for this, let's try one thing, the magic trick. I'll give you a hint. It starts here. Hello? You gonna come help me? There's no power in my garage. That's a long story, but it's a good story. But let's see. Do you have this moment where you're like, I have it, but I don't know where it is? Welcome to my world. Maybe it's in the top here? All right, this might take a minute, so let me look around. Thought I put them in this. Oh, wait. Here they are. Come here. Right here, hello? Oh, there we go. Thank you. Isn't that great? Your day's going bad, just hang out with your dog. My day's not going bad, because we're together. Okay, go online. I'll link below to where I got these. And you want tire valves. And they send them with this little tool. And these are, those are these tacky looking caps. This is a replacement tire valve. So one side of this tool has a little notch in it, okay? That goes, drop it first. That goes in here, and then it'll connect in, it'll pop in. And then we turn it. Air is gonna come out of this. The wind's blowing, so I don't know if you can hear this, but the old valve comes out. If the threads on your valve, the rubbery part, are problematic, this has a reamer. It'll re-thread the threads. And just think that's handy. Little things in life. So we take our new valve, hold the valve over the tire, not over the leaves. And just connect that in, like that. And then we screw in the new valve. So I don't know if this is gonna solve it. What I wanna do now, if you'll stay with me, is we're gonna fill it with air and go get a load of really great leaf compost. So on the side somewhere it'll say the load. So 10 PSI. These are like all-terrain tires, so they have a low PSI, but that's holding. It ain't over till it's over. Now we're gonna do the load test. Deluxe. Very nice. Nice, huh? Mulch in here. Isn't that great? It's still holding. Hey, hi Cole, how are you? Cole is a liquor. We're not done. The litmus test is overnight. So, sun's setting, stick around. Let's see if it stays tight overnight. That'll be hundreds of pounds, a new valve. Ready? Oh, look at that toy. Look at that toy. Yeah. Let's go look at the trailer, okay? Come on, let's go. See? It worked. So instead of, oh no, I gotta buy a new tire, I gotta replace the tube, start out simple, replace the valve. Isn't that pretty?
It is pretty.
I did that for you.
Glistening in the sun.
It matches. Firewood is a cheap toy. You wanna spend some more time together? Should be a video floating right here. Something interesting, maybe not a flat tire, maybe some other experience. All right? See you next video.